Hello friends, welcome all of you to this wonderful and powerful presentation of HumaFin 2.0. Friends, in today's video we are going to talk about a modern financial platform that has the capability to completely transform the world of digital finance and real yield systems in the coming time. Friends, today the entire world is rapidly moving towards the digital economy. In traditional banking systems, people have to face slow transactions, high fees, and many types of limitations. But now the world is changing, and blockchain technology is bringing a new financial revolution. HumaFin 2.0 is a part of this revolution. Friends, HumaFin 2.0 is set to be the world's first PayFi network that works on real-world payment financing. This means that yield is generated here through real financial activities and real payment systems. The company's vision is to make global payments fast, transparent, and borderless so that any person in the world can easily use financial services from anywhere. Friends, through blockchain and stablecoin technology, HumaFin 2.0 provides instant payments, real-time settlements, and low-cost global transactions. This platform works 24/7, meaning you can manage your funds anytime and from anywhere. The company's objective is to remove middlemen and create a secure and efficient financial ecosystem where users can get fast and fair financial opportunities. Friends, the biggest specialty of this project is that here you are not given just a platform but also a real yield-based earning opportunity. HumaFin 2.0 has been launched on the Solana ecosystem, and the company claims that the yield provided here is generated from real payment financing activities. This means that the system does not work only on market hype or speculation, but income is generated through real financial transactions. Mixagent, Anpur Bioeth, properties, fires and products, sharp dyers. Friends, now let us talk about the extremely powerful and multiple income plan of HumaFin 2.0. Friends, this platform has been designed in such a way that users can generate income through different methods. Meaning, here you are given not just one but many types of income opportunities. First of all, friends, let us talk about vault income. In HumaFin 2.0, different vault memberships are provided where users can receive daily returns according to their holdings. For example, in the Block Starter Vault, a 0.25% return is given on a 1 DAY holding. In Chain Builder, a 0.5% return is given on a 7 DAY holding. In Node Elite, up to 0.75% return is provided on a 30 DAY holding. Apart from this, in bigger vaults like MetaVault, Quantum Stake, and Infinity Crown, a system of 1% to 2% daily return has been created. Meaning, the bigger the vault and the longer the holding, the bigger the reward. Friends, after this comes the ladder leverage income plan. Here the company has created a total of 20 ladder levels where percentage income is provided on the basis of team building. It starts with Node Starter where up to 20% income is given. After that, 10% on Block Associate, 8% on Chain Builder, 6% on Network Executive, and different income percentages are provided on further levels. Friends, as your team grows, your ladder income also keeps increasing. The most special thing is that to unlock every new ladder, only one direct referral is required. Now friends, let us talk about rank elevation income. This is a powerful rank reward system where daily, monthly and yearly income potential is shown according to your total team holding. For example, on the starter rank, with a team holding of $10,000, an income of up to $25 daily is shown. On the other hand, on bigger ranks like Elite, Master and Legend, the income can go up to millions of dollars, meaning this system is made for those people who want to do long-term team building. Apart from this, friends, the company also gives extra bonuses. If a user achieves Meta Vault within the fixed time after ID activation, then they are given up to 10 Huma coins daily as an extra reward, which can be withdrawn on a monthly basis. Friends, now let us talk about the universal bonus. The company transfers 5% of every withdrawal amount into the Energy Wallet. And when your Energy Wallet reaches a certain amount, it automatically goes into the universal pool system from where you receive additional pool income. After this, friends, comes the universal pool bonus. Here, different pool levels have been created, where users receive bigger income step by step. For example, starting from the $10 pool, this income gradually reaches thousands and millions of dollars, meaning a powerful system of auto upgrade and auto reinvest has been provided here, which helps in creating long-term passive income. Friends, The complete income plan of HumaFin 2.0 is based on multiple earning streams so that users do not depend on only one source but can generate income from different sources. This is the reason why this project is being seen as a modern real yield finance system. Apart from this, friends, the company also provides powerful reward systems like Universal Bonus and Universal Pool Bonus. Here, a part of every withdrawal goes into the energy wallet, and later through the auto upgrade and pool system, it gives an opportunity to generate additional income, meaning multiple income streams have been created here so that users can continue receiving income from different sources. Friends, the most special thing is that in this entire system, all transactions are done through USDT BEP20 and Huma Coin BEP20. And according to the live rate, deposit and withdrawal are provided, due to which fast, secure, and transparent transactions become possible. So friends, if you also want to become a part of the modern financial technology of the coming time, want to understand the real yield-based system, and are looking for a strong digital income opportunity, then HumaFin 2.0 can prove to be an excellent platform for you. Thank you, friends.